I have a Grand Cherokee Laredo automatic transmission. I'll be replacing the axle seals and the wheel bearing on both sides and the rear here. 18mm lug nut. That's the oil right there. So there is a lot of oil. The same as on the other side. Leaking from the seals. The seals are not holding anymore. This is a 19mm bolt here for the caliper. I'm removing 4 14mm nuts here in the rear to detach the axle, bearings and everything, the entire assembly. Working on the driver's side here, 8mm bolt for the ABS wheel speed sensor. Most of the time the race will stay inside. Sometimes it's easy to take it out and sometimes you have to struggle a little bit. Now on this side here, the race got stuck, so I'm gonna see if I can use this tool to pry it out. Now when it comes to remove the axles or wheel bearings, working on the driver or either passenger side is exactly the same on these vehicles. So for moments you will see me working on driver or either passenger side and it will be exactly the same. Here it is. Alright, before I continue in here, this is the procedure from Jeep on how to remove and also press the bearing back inside along with the other components. In my case, I'm bringing the axle with the bearings and everything so they can take it out and press it back inside the axle for me. Since I don't have too much time today to do this, but in case if you want to do it, just follow this procedure. It's very easy. You will need some tools. These are all the parts you gotta take out. And this is it. And this is the driver's side here, and this has a silicone here. This one has silicone, that one has nothing right there. Gonna be replacing all of this here. The new bearing, retainer, and the seal here. This is going back inside, and as I said since the beginning, I was not gonna show on video how to install the bearing, the seal, and retainer because someone else did it for me. Now this is the torque specification for all of the bolt and nut I'm dealing with on this job. This is turning very smoothly. Make sure the ABS sensor goes back inside very clean. One more time, these are 19mm bolts here for the brake caliper. And I'm basically done here. All I gotta do is pump the brake pedal about 10 times at least before moving the car to any gear. The pistons and the brake caliper has been retracted and it has to come out again to press against the brake pads. Thanks for watching the video and God bless you all.